I'm Rome. I am the Assistant Librarian for Outreach Services at the Manatee County Public Library System. And today we're going to be going on a drive in our Outreach passenger van, and we're going to be doing some deliveries at a lobby stop. A lobby stop is where we bring library materials to an assisted living facility or a retirement home, and we set up a mini library in their community center or lobby. We do this about once a month per location.
I have always been an avid reader, and I appreciate that Manatee Library comes to give me books, because when I get into a book, I go into an entirely different realm, and I love reading, and I appreciate that Manatee comes to give me the book.
I'm not able to get out to the library very often myself because I am bound by my power chair. And when I learned that they had a lobby stop, I was ecstatic. It was wonderful to be able to correspond to them by email or by phone, either way, and they were able to bring me the books that I wanted and the authors that I wanted and get them almost immediately. The service is wonderful.